Students, welcome to Academia Ambala. Now today I am going to discuss an important question of this exercise with you. Fill in the blanks with fractions in lowest term. So here the very important word to be noticed is lowest. So I'll explain you how to go about with this. First example is 500 grams is dash of 1 kg. So here you can see there are two units involved in this question, grams and kilograms. So you have to find out the relation between both of them. So what's the relation? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now when you look at the question, you can see the first part of the question is the smaller part, 500 grams. The second one is the bigger. So when you have to find out the relation of the two, what you have to do? The number written over here will be copied down and off. So you have to put a multiplication sign, and the relation over here, it will be written in this form always. So 0 and zeros over here. Now when you have to convert them in the lowest term, you have to be very careful. Now it is a big number, and the trick to this is that the zeros, they will be cut like this. 1 0 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. Again 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. You are left with a smaller number. This is 5 and this is 10. And everybody knows that 5 and 10, it comes in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So the numbers that you are left with is, they are 1 and 2 over here. So 1 has to be multiplied with 1. It gives you the answer 1. And the denominator has only 2. So 2 will be written here. So this is the answer. How simple is this? So 1 by 2, that means 500 grams is half of 1 kg. And you can check also your answer. 500 grams when written here, it has to be added in again. And when we add, we get 1000 and we get the relation correct, that the total, that is, if we are adding 500 grams for 2 times, we are going to get 1000. So 500 grams is half of 1 kg. It can be written like this. So this makes the complete solution. Another example to make it clear, 40 seconds is dash of a minute. So here, what are the two words which are included? It is seconds and minutes. The relation, the bigger one, the bigger name has to be written first. So 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. And for the relation again, this number, it will be written here multiplied by 1 upon 60. Now I have explained you earlier also, you can use 1 also over here. There is no harm in writing it. And if you are not writing, and if you are comfortable with multiplying this number with 1 by 60 without writing 1, that is also correct. So the easiest way is to cut the zeros, and they have to be always in the opposite places. 0 in the numerator will cut with the denominator, the 0 in the denominator. So you are left with 4 and 6. 4 and 6, they comes in the table of 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. The numbers which are left, they have to be multiplied together. 2 multiplied by 1, it gives 2, and 3 multiplied by 1 gives 3. So 40 seconds is dash of a minute. So you get the answer. It is 2 by 3. Okay. So this is the answer. So the more you solve the questions, you will be more comfortable in this type of questions. So keep practicing. Happy learning. Thank you.